Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Instinct 2S and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to open the Garmin Connect on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. Once you open the application, you can tap on the More icon right here. Then scroll down, tap on Garmin devices, select your Instinct 2S from the list of devices. Then tap on the More Options icon in the top right corner. Come on. Okay. And once you see the Remove Device button, tap on it. Then tap on Remove to confirm. Tap on OK if you see the pop-up. Here you can tap on Close the app. Open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see list of my devices, and on it you should see your Instinct 2S. Tap on the info icon next to it. Tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget device to remove it. And after it's disconnected from your iPhone, you can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.